Welcome. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through your saved posts on Instagram and wishing you could organize them better, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to add your saved posts to a brand new collection using the latest Instagram update. This is a simple way to keep your favorite content organized and easy to find whenever you need it. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the home screen, look to the bottom right corner and tap your profile icon. This will take you straight to your profile page, where you can see all your posts and highlights. Next, in the top right corner, you'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Tap on that to open up a list of options. From here, find and tap on Saved. This is where all your saved posts are stored, whether they're photos, videos, or reels. Now, to create a new collection, look for the plus sign, usually labeled as Add Collection. Tap on it, and you'll be prompted to name your new collection. Choose a name that makes sense for the type of posts you want to group together. Maybe travel inspiration, recipes to try, or workout ideas. Once you've typed in the name, tap Next. You'll now see all your saved posts. Simply tap on the ones you want to add to your new collection. You can select as many as you like. When you're happy with your selection, tap Done. And that's it. You've just created a new collection and added your favorite saved posts to it. From now on, you can easily find and enjoy your organized content without endless scrolling. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your favorite apps. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.